Welcome to my channel Garments Career Opportunities. Today topic shrinkage method. Let's find out through this video. What is the meaning of shrinkage? Why is the shrinkage test? Why is the shrinkage test? What is the shrinkage test done? What is the shrinkage test procedure? What is the formula of shrinkage percentage? How does segregated roll by shrinkage? We will analyze it in Bengali in the next video. Till then, please watch the next video and also subscribe to the channel.